All right, here's a close-up of these white cliffs of Dover. Looks like there's some little, guessing this is tidal activity. So you'll see a dark line on the on those rocks, and that will show you I guess that would be like a high tide mark. And then above that is a white section that's about maybe that's probably 3 or 4 feet high there. And then there's a darker section above that. So I'm thinking that would probably be something that is much more older, like thousands of years old. So maybe at one time during maybe last ice age, that mark was created. I don't know, that's a bit of a guess. Here's one of these like little cavey kind of things that's been carved into the rock face over the years. Come around the corner here. I don't know if you can see them in the water, but it almost looks like little ant hills. So I'm guessing these are little critters, some sort of like wormy type thing that live in those little holes. There's one kind of like right there. I don't know if you guys can see that so much. All these trees up here must be pretty windy even on this side of the bay, because these trees up at the top here look pretty scraggly. So the wind has picked up a little bit this morning. I've started to feel it blow a little bit more, which I expected. But it still looks like it's pretty calm through the early afternoons. I'm gonna stay out here. I don't have to be up. I'm gonna go to Mendocino tonight. I hope I said that right. And stay up there so I can do some paddling on a river tomorrow. There's a nice lazy river that kind of winds back in off the coast. And then if it's calm enough, I might actually go out on the ocean. There's some sea caves and some archways and stuff that I can do. This is really cool here. This is I guess like a seagrass that's down below here. There's a piece hanging off the end of my paddle. And that it looks like when you buy spinach infused linguinis. That's kind of what that looks like. All right. Okay, I think that's it for this area here. See if we can get some starfish. The starfish that I saw before were in the rock formations in the water here. So let's see if we can get something in around here, which we should be able to. There's a shell of I see some sea urchin-y type things, some crusty things. That almost looks like, what do you call that? Great Barrier Reef. That stuff, whatever that's called. All right, there is Hog Island in the distance. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. That would be Hog Island. And then behind Hog Island is where I started at Nick's Cove. And the last of the white cliffs of Dover. Back over to the other side of the bay here. So I'm gonna paddle out in this general direction here for a couple kilometers and see how that goes. And beach a couple times. There's a couple of walk-in only beaches. Walk-in, I guess paddle in, you can't even walk into them. So I'm gonna do that and check them out for a future trip. All right, see you guys later.